little fire pits. Oh, I see some accessories I really like. So this is a fire pit from Housewise, which should be tabletop and smokeless, and we're gonna have to really test this out. Let's check it out and talk about some of those features. So now you can use multiple fuels with this. You could use pellets or you could use wood with this. We're gonna try it with pellets today, see how it does. Now, one of the interesting things about that, and one of the good tests is, I find pellets can sometimes be hard to get started in these little fire pits. Oh, I see some accessories I really like. So I think this will be a really good test so you know how hard it is or how easy it is to start. Obviously comes with this nice case. Additionally, let's see what else we have in here really quick. Oh, it's got these adorable little forks if you want to make some marshmallows. I don't know if I have any marshmallows to do around here. A little spoon for measuring out your fire materials. A complimentary supply of fire starters. So let me show you a couple things about how this works. Number one, comes with cute little feet, which you need to get it up and off of any surface, right? Here's where the fire is going to sit on that and the ashes are going to collect there. That goes in there like this. Now this would be ready to go this way if you were going to use like wood or something like that. But because we're going to use pellets, we want to really get a lot of air in there. And it has this cool thing which goes in the center, which allows a column of air to come up through the center and make it really an inferno and a smokeless inferno. Part of the magic as well, this goes on the top and this is what really, it kind of helps funnel and create that updraft. And this is the complete unit the way it is. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's take it outside this evening, light it up and see how well it works. All right, here we go. We have this beautiful smokeless fire pit. Let's light it up. And as we discussed, I have these special fire starters here in the pellets, and I believe this is going to be a real test. Okay, this one is lighting up so easy and so well. We'll come back once it's fully up and running. Okay, so this is it. This is the final look. Now, this is a little exceptional fire right now because I've got pellets in there. It's just the fire goes straight up, totally controllable the way you would want it to be, and obviously will settle down. You can see it settling down as we're talking about it, as the fire starter wears out. But the ventilation in there is absolutely perfect because I tried to do pellets with others of these smokeless fire pits, and they were a little tough to get started, I will say. This one lit up perfectly, so that tells me the ventilation in there is ideal for this little fire pit. Cannot go wrong with this either. I hope this was helpful. We will see you next time.